Darshana Bode and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing, as you know from the title, I am doing a cooking challenge. Yeah, I am doing this cheese burst, Domino's cheese burst. So that's like no oven, no yeast. Such a good thing, right? Wow, I'm excited. I'm always confused between the Domino's cheese burst and Pizza Hut cheese crust. So let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. So I saw a YouTube video. He was making this cheese burst pizza and I wanted to try because so I can literally die for pizza and so I wanted to try it. So here I am. I just hope it works out. Otherwise I'm ordering a pizza. Okay. I'm not a professional chef. I'm just gonna try it. I saw it and I'm gonna try it. It's like
I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
In case you're wondering what I'm wearing, I use my mom's kitchen apron and it's like my cooking OT. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah, why not if you have it. So without any delay, let's get started. The ingredients here will be after this. A photo will be there. You can screenshot it if you want. Otherwise, I'll put the link of that chef below in that video below. So you can just refer there. Okay, so starting with making dough, I'm using 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, then 2 spoons of baking powder, 1.5 spoon of baking soda, and 2 spoons of sugar, which I should have grinded but I didn't. After that I'm gonna put 1 spoon of salt and mix all the dry ingredients properly. After that I'm gonna use curd. So I'm using curd instead of yeast here. So this is gonna do all the work of it, of yeast, and I'm not adding milk or water. So this is the only wet ingredient here. So I added 3 spoons of it and then mix it well. I started kneading it with my hand properly. After kneading it, I felt it was dry and hard. So I again added curd. I added 1.5 spoon of curd and then I added 2 spoons of oil in it and then kneaded it again with the help of my hand. So I kneaded it properly until it was a bit soft, and then you gotta throw it, smash it, punch it. The chef said so. So that's what I'm doing. After that I marked 3 parts in the dough and separated 1 part separately and 2 parts differently. So that's the quantity you gotta use. So I took the first part and I dusted all-purpose flour, maida and makai ka atta, which will make it crunchy. Then I started rolling it, and now obviously I don't know how to roll in proper circle. So I took help of my mom. So thanks mom. And after that I applied butter on the pan and just secofy it until the bubble pops. You see that bubble and all the edges have kind of flared up now. We have become a bit puffy. Although I have an oven there, but I am going to challenge myself today and do it on gas. So making an oven, I took a kadhai, put some salt in it, and using a metal utensil like this, you can use a metal bowl or anything. You just gotta get that lift. Then after putting this pizza plate, there should be a lift. Now close it and put it on a high flame to preheat. Until then my mom rolled another 2-part of the dough we have taken. So make sure it is bigger than the first one, and then I'm gonna so I'm now greasing this plate with butter, and I'm gonna put the dough over it. Then I'm gonna put cheese spread over it. Basically we have to take 2 spoons, but I'm taking 3 because a little more cheese never hurts. So I'm going crazy. After that I'm gonna put the first dough which we had secofy in pan. Then I'm gonna seal the edges. I'm gonna take them inside like that and seal it so that the cheese doesn't leak out and it remains packed. So to pack it, I'm gonna use a fork and poke it again. Even the center part I'm gonna poke so it does not flares up while baking and get that cake structure. So after that I'm gonna put this pizza sauce and the Szechuan chutney, ching's chutney over it, mix it well and spread it all over. Then I'm gonna add the pizza cheese over it, then some capsicum, the 3 colored capsicum which I have. It's just for the color, nothing else, just making it attractive. After that I'm gonna add onion into small pieces, and then a little bit of cheese again to seal it over. Then I'm gonna put it into the self-made oven and close it and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how it looks after 10 minutes.
20 minutes later.
So after it's ready, I'm adding this Mexican seasoning over it because it doesn't need to cook obviously, but make sure you put it while it's warm, hot, so the flavor is properly absorbed by the pizza. And yeah, it's ready to serve. Just cut it and serve it. And guys, look at the cheese, man, it's literally dripping off. Now let's taste it. It's actually good. Oh my god, I'm shocked. I'm literally shocked. Like, seriously, it's so good. Like the cheese and all the bread, you can see how soft it is. The sauce, it's tasting like paneer makhani pizza in Domino's. Literally same. Literally, it's overloaded with cheese. It actually tastes like that. You know, it literally tastes like Domino's pizza. And I am a real Domino's cheeseburger fan, so I won't lie about it. I can't stop eating it. I'm gonna make it more.